Hello ladies, so first video I showed all the best all-time lip products that I have and all like lipsticks and all that. Today we are just going to focus doing our perfect nude lips and how I do it. It's like a tutorial for you. So first thing first, a lip scrub from Kiko Milano from the first video. We just add it a little bit. And do this. Usually I love to go and just wash it off, but this time I will use a tissue and it will just take all the dead skin and make your lips really smooth. But then it feels kind of dry, just because you were like cleaning really with a tissue and rubbing them, that's why. Not because of the scrub. Scrub itself is actually really nice and moisturizing. That's why I have this lip butter sleeping mask, which usually you would apply when you go to sleep. But this time, let's do it just kind of like an underneath, like a lip balm, let's say like that. This is from Korean brand called Cosrx. Super soft. Now let's start working on our lips. So I'm using my perfect nude lip pencil from Naked Beauty. I will use my phone. And you want to slightly overline only the like center part. And then when it goes closer to the corners, you actually draw where your lip line is, like a natural lip line. You know, the women who just overdraw too much, they either overdraw too much, like they too far, or they overdraw all around your like lip contour, and don't do that, it looks horrible. And then I'm using my Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin OG lipstick. I think it looks really good, really natural. As you have noticed probably, I have really thin lips. So for them to look like this, I think it's a really good job. Let me know what do you think, what products you use for lips, and if you have any requirements or questions for next content. Bye!